Hello, crypto fam, and welcome back to another video. I'm so excited because today we're going over Shib. I want to show you guys a perfect entry position trade that I missed out this morning because I was freaking working with clients. But let me show you guys what it looks like. We're going to also talk about where Shib is, where it could be headed, and we're going to make some price predictions to understand where it could be within the next month. Holidays are coming up, and usually the market shifts tremendously. But we have never had a market like this where we have a new president-elect coming that is fully pro-crypto. So we might still see some crazy gains. But let's get right into it. So here's the chart. All right, I want to break down Shib, and I want to break down the entry for that position. Here's what we do know, right? Currently, Shib is facing a resistance at the 30-cent, or I'm going to call it the 30-cent mark. Forget all the zeros, the 0.0030 position, right? And it's struggling right now to maintain momentum, despite it had that beautiful breakout. Like, you guys, look at this. In the past couple of days, our boy Shib killed it. I'm so glad I held my bag, right? So freaking glad. And I actually didn't sell right now, just so everybody knows. I did not sell. I'm still just waiting for Shib to grow. 139% and 2 months on this basis. But look. On the more recent number, with this little bull run, 88% in 7 days. It's almost doubling your money in 8 days. And you guys, this is the power of trading and using TA. We're going to use the day view. Okay, we drew these white lines months ago. We did them together on a previous video. Look through the channel. But you guys, look, with these lines, these are the highest points where in that area, there's a lot of liquidity zone is what we try to call it. In that zone, there's liquidity locked. People are either heavy in the shorting Shib or longing Shib, right? And we see that became its next stopping point. I should have sold. I just didn't see this. I was working. But more importantly, forget the sell mark. There's always another entry. And this, we've had, what? I think we drew this back here, February. So in 263 days, that line got hit again. And if we go down to the 30-minute mark, we can see that we had two touch points, right? Touch point 1 and touch point 2. Right? And these two touch points solidified that this is where its support is going to be. So we should have entered along either here or just taken a small risk here. And here's what I like about it, you guys. I've got the BTCC link below. You can use it. It allows you to trade with leverage. And look, we've got Shib right here listed. We can leverage it at 50x, right? So we don't need to put in 5 grand to take that trade. We could put in 100 grand and we would be at a 5 grand position, right? And if we would have taken along on this bad boy in that area, right? If we would have taken along, let's even just say here at a 50x mark, right now we would be up 150% on that balance. So if we only opened a $100 position, just to, because we're nervous, whatever, $100 position, we had 50 exit, it would be worth $5,000. Right? And then that $5,000, if it had gone 3.65%, let's just assume 3%, right? That would be $150. So your new position, you'd be at $150 gain on this bad boy from this simple trade and just using an exchange that allows you to leverage. Now, the next question, do we think that Shib is going to continue on this road? I do believe as long as BTC, and we see that BTC is stabilizing right now, if it can break another all-time high, which is totally feasible, it's only at a 4% number, right? We just need one big institutional account to buy, or we just need a bunch of retail to enter, which is still both possible scenarios, right? And with this 4% gain, what does that mean for Shib? That means Shib's going to be able to do a 26%er, right? Let's go to the actual Shib chart again. My bad. It's better on the charts. Right? If that is the case, what is its potential to get to the next all-time high from here? We're looking at what? 35% only? 100% doable. Look, you guys, it did 75% in 7 days. We don't think it could do that in 2-3 days. Right? The right momentum push and the next push up, 50% only in total. That's super duper doable. If you're a huge Shib supporter, you don't want to miss out on the run. I did miss out on the first Shib run, and that was my biggest mistake, and I don't think you should too. Be subscribed. Follow the channel, watch the videos, take notes if you need. I'll put more trading videos in. Use that BTCC link and just try to play with some leverage. Look, be smart. Try with a couple of $100. Do not put your whole portfolio in. Just test it out. It took me years to get really good at it, but I know you can do it too, especially with the bull market moving. And now that there's actual nice exchanges that are done like this, they're like upgrading their features every day. I'm freaking loving it, and I know you will too. So give it a chance. Use my link below. It means the world to me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Don't miss out on the crypto run.